Good evening. Today I am going to start a new chapter of class 9, chapter 4, that is climate. So, first of all, we will just start with the definition of climate. So, climate is a long term average of weather, typically averaged over a period of 30 years. So, some of the meteorological variables that are commonly measured are temperature, humidity, atmospheric pressure, wind, and precipitation. So, in a broader sense, climate is a state of the components of a climate system, which includes the ocean and ice on the earth. So, the climate of a location is affected by its latitude, terrain, and altitude, as well as nearby water bodies and their currents. More generally, the climate of a region is the general state of the climate system at that location at the current time. So, climate can be classified according to the average and the typical ranges of different variables. Most commonly, temperature and precipitation. The most commonly used classification schemes was the Köppen climate classification, and the which is used in 1948 incorporate uh, evapotranspiration along with temperature and precipitation information, and is used in studying biological diversity and how climate change affect it. So, the paleoclimatology is the study of ancient climate, since very few direct observations of climate are available before the 19th century. So, paleoclimates are inferred from proxy variable that include non-biotic evidence such as sediments found in lake beds and ice cores, and biotic evidence such as tree rings and corals. So climate models are mathematical model of past, present, and future climates. Climate changes may occur over long and short time scales from a variety of factors. Recent warming is discussed in global warming. So the global warming results in redistribution. For example, 3 degrees Celsius change in mean annual temperature corresponding to a variable change. So next is weather. So weather is the state of atmosphere describing, for example, the degree to which is hot or cold, wet or dry, stormy, clear or cloudy. On Earth, most weather phenomena occur in the lowest level of the planet's atmosphere, that is the troposphere, just below the stratosphere. So, weather refers to day temperature and precipitation activity, whereas climate is a term for averaging of atmospheric condition over longer periods of time. When used without qualification, weather is generally understood to mean the weather of Earth. So, weather is driven by air pressure, temperature, and moisture. Differences between one place and another. These differences can occur due to the sun's angle at any particular spot, which varies with latitude. The strong temperature contrast between polar and tropical air gives rise to the largest scale atmospheric circulation. Then the polar cell, Ferrel cell, and the jet stream. So weather system in the middle latitude, such as extratropical cyclones, are caused by instability of the jet stream flow because Earth axis is tilted relative to its orbital plane. Sunlight is incident at different angle at different times of the year. So on Earth's surface, temperature usually ranges 40 degrees Celsius, like minus 40 degrees Celsius to 100 degree Fahrenheit, annually over thousands of years. So changes in Earth orbit can affect the amount of distribution of solar energy received by Earth, thus influencing long-term climate and global climate change.